How to find a job after college. You've just spent 16 or more years in school and you're more confused than ever. Now what? Well, here's how to find that ideal first job after college. Step 1. Ask yourself. Career counselors and personality tests can help you focus on what's right for you. Ask yourself, what do I love so much I'd do it for free? The answer will lead you to a satisfying job.
You spend more of your waking hours at work than anywhere else. And so if you're satisfied with your job, it not only fills those 8 or 10 hours a day with joy, but it suffuses the rest of your life.
Step 2. Keep an open mind. Just about any degree, even accounting and law, offer more possibilities than most college graduates realize. And some careers have many paths.
The reality is there are 97 different kinds of lawyers. There are lawyers who are not people and they will sit and they would rather write contracts all day. But let's say you are a people person. You could also be a fine lawyer working in negotiations or in trial work.
Step 3. Job shop. Salary and benefits are just two parts of a much larger equation. Think about where you want to work, who you want to work with, the type of environment you like, do you want to travel, and what are the chances for advancement.
Read about the career, then go and visit somebody on the job, and then ask them some questions. What is the best and worst things about this career? And after you've done that, watch him or her in action for a couple of hours, do a job shadow.
Step 4. Good company. To pick the organization you want to work for, skip the corporate website. Instead, research the best companies to work for lists. Read newspaper and magazine articles for the lowdown on how these companies are doing.
Choosing your career wisely may be the single most important decision you ever make in your life, maybe with the exception of a spouse.
Don't settle. You'll never get a second chance to choose your first job, and you can do it.